welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're switching things up because I'm not doing any riding. Unfortunately, I didn't get invited to any cool events. But today we're still gonna have fun because I am unboxing a Lego Technic set of a Ducati Panigale V4 R. The last time I played with Lego was probably over 20 years ago. I know I'm getting old, but yeah, I was never really like a girly girl type. I play with cars and, you know, toys for boys more than Barbies and things like that. I've actually haven't ridden the Ducati V4 R, but I've ridden the V4 S at the track, and it's a lot different from my Ducati 899. Say the front is a lot thicker.
That's what she said.
It was a little bit hard for me to, you know, maneuver the bike because I just feel like it's a lot heavier than my 899. But overall, it's such a beautiful bike, and I would love to, you know, take it back to the track again. Sure if a lot of you guys are aware of the history of Lego as a company. So it was started by a carpenter in Denmark many years ago. The story is really fascinating because he has gone through a bunch of obstacles and challenges. He actually lost his wife, and then the workshop got burned down a few times by fire. And through all of that, the guy kept pushing through. It really shows you that if you're passionate about something, you just want to keep pushing, and you know, you might not succeed overnight, and then it might take days, weeks, or sometimes many years before you get to where you want to get. But yeah, it's really inspiring to me. I'm really excited to open up this set. I don't know how difficult it is. It says for 10 years and above. Hopefully I won't have a hard time, you know, putting this together. But today, just gonna be an unboxing. I just want to show you guys what's inside the box and what comes in this set. If you're interested in buying this, you can go on Amazon and just type Lego Technic Ducati Panigale V4 R, and then I paid about $68. I have seen that the price have been going up, I think because, you know, it got more popular or so. But yeah, hopefully they're not, you know, increasing the price that much, so you guys can, you know, get one for yourself and your family. So are you ready? All right, here we go. So there's a little area right here where they want you to open it from, so you're not ruining the box, I think. Oh, I got a wheel. And a tire. Oh wow, look at this. Nice booklet. Let's see what's inside. When's the last time you guys built a Lego set? Let me know in the comments. This looks bigger than what I anticipated. I don't know if it's gonna be similar size to this. If it is, this is pretty big. Okay, so this is the last bag. I'm gonna set the box so, all right, there's nothing else in here. This is not a cereal. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 bags. Obviously, a wheel and a tire. I don't know if I can just put this on now. Or maybe I'll wait. I don't want to mess things up. Because I heard that if you skip a step, you might ruin the whole set, and yeah, that would suck. They have other sets for a Lamborghini and a Bugatti, but that one is a lot more complicated. I think the age is like 18 and above, and I was watching some videos. Some people took like more than 10 hours to do it. I don't have that much time right now. I'm just gonna go with the easy set. And obviously I love Ducatis, you know, so I would enjoy putting it together for sure. I want to make another video dedicated to building, you know, the whole set and see how long it would actually take me. If any of you guys have built one of these before, please let me know in the comments. Any advice is appreciated. Definitely these things looks more complicated than I thought. Stay tuned for the next one, and I hope you guys had a great day.